Ugh, don't be a terco. Hi everyone, the Spanish word of the day is terco. Terco. This is a Spanish adjective and it means stubborn or obstinate. Terco is masculine and terca is feminine. The plural form is tercos or tercas. Now, being a terco is not considered something good. Just like when people are stubborn. That's not very nice. Now, let's see a few examples using terco. María me cae mal porque es terca. María me cae mal porque es terca. Las personas tercas son insoportables. Las personas tercas son insoportables. Eres muy terco. Eres muy terco. Algunos de mis amigos son tercos. Algunos de mis amigos son tercos. I need to find new friends. No es bueno ser terco. No es bueno ser terco. Okay, that was the word of the day. I hope you liked this video. Leave me more examples down below using terco. And I hope you are not terco at all. Subscribe and click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Visit smelessons.com for more free Spanish lessons. Support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Okay, thank you so much for watching, for all your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye!